Hi, this is Roger Balser of Balser Wealth Management. Welcome to our 2-Minute Tuesday for June 23rd of 2015. Our title for this week is Stuck in the Middle with You. No, I'm not talking about the 1972 song from Stealers Wheel. What I'm talking about is, have you noticed that the markets are sort of stuck in the middle without much movement to the upside or the downside? In fact, you could almost say the market has been range bound over the past few months. We have experienced this before in 2004 and 2011. The most common way to get an idea of how the general market is doing is through an index that tracks the market. Today we find the S&P is trading in a range, kind of a middle of the field formation. Let me show what I'm talking about here. The S&P 500 has been ranging. Basically, it's forming a base of accumulation between its March lows and May highs of this year. The trend of the Standard & Poor's 500 remains positive, but it did test support back in May and June of this year. Notice on this chart how it fell to the support line of 2070, nearly hitting the bullish support line. Then over the last few weeks, it has touched, but more importantly, not broken the bullish support line. That's the pink area that you see. The ranging formation can be seen looking at this bullish support line. It has shifted sideways 4 times at the 2070 mark, the 2080 mark, then at the 2070 mark again, and finally at 2080 again, confirming the importance of the support of the Standard & Poor's 500 going forward. As I talked about in the June 2nd 2-Minute Tuesday, a break of this support line would shift the intermediate term to negative. That means a possible correction in over the next 6 to 9 months. I'm not predicting this will happen. We're not in the predicting business here at Balser Wealth Management. We're just taking a look at what could possibly happen if the support line is broken. However, the long-term trend of the market is still positive, and we are proceeding with that as of today. In closing, if you have an exchange-traded fund, mutual fund, or stock you'd like me to analyze, get in touch with me. You can find me on the web at www.balserwealth.com, or you can call me at 440-934-3114, or on my mobile that's on 24/7, 440-610-3012. And as I always say, when the charts change, we will change.